Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and today I am going to come with you, or I'm coming to you with some, this is so little, Laguna Moon thermochromatic liquid. This is a 2-gram pot. It is like super tiny. But I have got 2 black gel nails. I have found out through playing this does not really work on, I put it on my thumb here, which is regular, just simple colors, polish. It didn't work, so, and other things that I've investigated says it must be done on a gel nail. So, that's what we're going to do. I have prepped my nails. I got a coat of black P&D. Love the black. Oh my god, I love the black. It goes on like butter. And I have got this. This was sent to me by Nails of Interest. So thank you, honey, for that. I appreciate it. I'm gonna dip right in. Got me an extra brush. I'm gonna coat this nail. And let it dry. Here it takes like 10 minutes to dry. So, we'll be having a brief intermission. Get up, move about. Just don't forget to come back to the video. So I'm definitely going to wipe some of this off. Don't need that much on there. Whoops. Go back over this real quick. Go back over this one because there's definitely too much. Don't need to waste it. And we're going to see how this works. So we're going to let these sit here. And we will be back when they dry. And we're going to top coat with a gel top coat. And we'll see if these babies, we'll cure them and we'll see if they work. So, I'll be back in 10. Alrighty, I am back. The nails appear to be dry. So now we're going to go in with the top coat and put these babies in the lamp. And see what happens. As far as the thermochromatic changing color. I'm not putting a design or anything on. I know Nails of Interest when she did hers. She did. But I don't have... Ooh, the tip's starting to change up here. See it? She had some little alloy-like pieces and I don't. I have circles. She had a full oval and a circle, and I don't have the full. I'm going to pop these in the lamp. It's not going to stand, so I can stick my hand in there with it. Still trying to figure out the sensors on this Medina. I think it's a text lamp. But I like it. I'm probably going to put it up for a giveaway or towards a raffle, towards, maybe the end of the year or something. I don't know. We'll see. I do currently have 2 giveaways going on. One for a Bell Home Beauty rechargeable hand drill. And for the sweet little lip gloss collection that Simone says has out. Check her out on Instagram. Look for the videos. I don't know how to put end cards in to click. I'm sorry about that. That's something I'm going to try to work on this year. Trying to get a laptop. Not a laptop. What am I saying? A tablet. or get a computer in here so that I can have access to do things like that. So we'll see. We shall see how that works out, where it goes. Please subscribe to my channel. Please check out my 2 giveaways that I have going on. I draw on Valentine's Day for both. So, you know, the lip gloss is definitely a Valentine's Day. Ooh, looky here. Oh, looky, looky, looky. Just from the heat of the lamp. I'm going to hold my finger over it. Just like to rub and check out. Oh, yeah, look at how it changes. Goes with your body heat. Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. They both have changed. This does work. I give this 2 thumbs up. This is from AliExpress. This is the bag that it was in case you need to see or to know that to find it. I'm not sure if that helps. Here's the product again, Laguna Moon Thermochromatic Liquid. I think these are really cool. I did enjoy this. It wouldn't be on my expectations. I didn't think it was going to work like this. But I think this would make a super cute mani. Maybe I will do one with maybe some stamping over the top of it. White stamping. I think that'd be really pretty. But for now, this brings us to the conclusion of our video. This does work. I thought this was really super cool to play with. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you've played with it before. If you're going to, I don't know, leave me a comment. No one's told me what they're doing for Valentine's yet, so what does that mean, ladies? We're all staying home? What's going on? Well, have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you for being here.